Okay, today we're in Nature Trail, one of the hottest subdivisions in Pensacola, Florida. You can see this home has a nice 3-car side entry garage, some stone pavers, nice side hardy plank on the sides. Lots of stonework on the side of the home. Very nice, quiet. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, off to the left we have our living room, dining room to the right. You can see the ceiling. It's multiple levels. Some beams that separate into your family room. Again, you have multiple levels in the ceiling, covered back porch, going back to the green belt, kitchen from the dining room, flat top oven, separate microwave. This house is about 2,800 plus square feet. Very nice covered porch, fireplace, gas logs, master bedroom. Again, backs up to the green belt, so you have privacy in the backyard. You can see out to the covered porch. Very nice covered porch. It's a big bedroom. This model comes with a tile shower. His and her sinks, granite countertops, and a separate tub. Nice walk-in closet and a linen closet. Again, nice tile shower. Come back into the master. This is one of those homes that, you know, is bigger than it looks from the outside. Once you come in, it does have a lot of square footage. Guest bathroom. Got one bedroom over to the left, bedroom to the right. There's a Jack and Jill bathroom here into one more bedroom. Nice size utility room. And there's the 3-car garage. Room for, you know, a small boat or whatever extra storage. Maybe you got 3 cars. All right, so this is a great new home in Nature Trail. It is currently move-in ready. So if you're interested in this new home or any new home, feel free to give me a call, 850-466-6920. We can save you thousands of dollars on this home or other new homes in Nature Trail. If you want, you can visit the website at www.findhomesinpensacola.com. Thank you for coming and watching our videos, and we'll have some more in the future. I look forward to speaking with you soon.